Bringing you another celebrity inspired makeup look, and this one is by Becky G. Starting out by color correcting my eyes with a concealer. I am using the Sigma palette in collaboration with Anne Cook, and I'm applying this shadow all over my lid in swipe motion, and then going to add a gorgeous brown, like a brick brown color over that shadow as well. And in the video looked like she had a gray undertone. I don't know if that's the filter or what, but anyways, this shadow right here, girl, just because of this shadow, I would just buy this palette again by itself because it's gorgeous. It is just so gorgeous. I'm gonna wear it again. So now for my eyeliner, I'm using the one by Urban Decay inks in Zero. This is so pigmented and it's so precise that when I take off that tape, girl, it is just, the precision is just amazing. I'm going to add a couple coats of the Fan Fest mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Then I'm going to moisturize my face with the Laura Mercier. Girl, make sure you moisturize no matter what. And I'm going to use my favorite foundation of all time, which is the Stick Foundation by Wet n Wild. Make sure you get it. I mean, it's freaking amazing. I've been using it for like 3 years. A little bit of concealer. To blend this all out, I'm using the F64 by Sigma. It is amazing, girl. You need this. It just makes everything so much easier to blend. And then I'm going to be using a little bit of Laura Mercier powder just around where I'm showing you. I'm applying some Hoola bronzer by Benefit, which is my favorite bronzer. Just make sure you don't go overboard. And applying this Iman blush. I don't even know if they still sell this, but girl, I'm going to try my best to link it below. Now I'm just going to bring a little bit of my inner corners out with a little bit of eyeshadow, applying some mascara at the bottom, and of course applying a little bit of setting powder, just letting it bake for a couple seconds. For my lips, I am using a Maybelline gloss in Moon and also this Nova Beauty lip liner. I will put the name in the description box, but it's amazing. You want to make sure when you outline in the inner corners, you shade it, you shade it and then you apply your lip gloss, and it's going to look so gorgeous. Applying some setting spray and then just patting my skin so it can all blend. And there you guys have it, this gorgeous Becky G inspired makeup look. And what do we think about this lighting? I love it. I think I'm just gonna film like this from now on. So please don't forget to subscribe, because I was hesitating on uploading this, girl, but you gotta glow too. So comment. Bye bye.